All right, we're on day 3 of the spring break adventure. Today we're busting out the bicycles and we're gonna go ride from here, pretty much the visitor center of Lake Mead, all the way over to the Hoover Dam. It's around 3.5 miles. And I think this might be a milestone for some of the boys who have never biked that far. We're gonna do something that we don't do regularly. Mom's gonna show us how to do it. Who's ready?
Me! This is so cool. Ah! Yes, another tunnel. Hello, I am Fisher, your personal companion. Batman! Here's Fisher! Yeah! I forgot to tell you about we can fall off it. We're on the edge. Dad.
What's the report from the trail?
Hot.
What would feel good right now?
The ice bucket challenge.
Surviving?
Yeah, I need ice cream and cool water.
What's going on with you?
On fire.
This boy is on fire! Bryson, you're doing awesome. How do you feel?
Good, but...
Feel like you're running a marathon? We're on the way back to the car, but man, it's a doozy going up these few hills that we had fun going down, but we're not having fun going up. But they're troopers, like this guy, all the way. Chug it, yeah. Don't you have the best mommy in the world? Every crazy hard adventure has to end with ice cream. You think that's correct, Miles? Every hard adventure needs to end with ice cream? Oh yeah.
How many miles did you ride your bike today? 7 miles?
You are old. Oh, Bryson, I've been wondering how you've been.
I've been bad.